Hello and welcome back to one of my videos, and today I'm going to review some Slime Shops UK Etsy, and the first one is Slimy Watermelons, and this is a nice bag of extras. Really nice, and there's a business card in there, some borax, some sweeties, ooh, strawberry fizz, very nice. There we go, SlimeyWatermelonsUK, that's a really nice logo, some little stars and some borax, and I like the message on the front, your purchase made my day, I hope this package makes yours. That's really sweet. And here's the card, very nice too, Instagram and Etsy shop. So I bought 2 slimes, and amazingly these were only £2.50 each. What a snatch. And it looks like they're both 4 ounces. So this one, well, they're both bubble wrapped and nothing leaked. Oh, and look at that logo, it's so cute. And this is actually a 5-star shop, so even though their prices are really low, they seem to be doing a good job. Oreo McFlone, that's the first one I got. And the second one, oh look, it's got this little Easter egg cabochon. It's Easter mini eggs, and that looks really pretty. So these were both £2.50 each, and shipping was £3.70, which makes a total of £8.70. Oh, this looks a bit runny, so it needs activating. It's melted quite a bit, but it smells amazing, and I love the large black beads and the black glitter. That really gives a sense of sort of chunks of Oreo or Oreo rubble in a milkshake. So I'm just going to activate this and we'll have a closer look at it. Okay, it's fully activated now, and what strikes me about this slime is the lovely flecks of black in it. It's really good. So it's got really good poke and click, and it's really stretchy. And it's got great crunch and crackle. Yep, that's really good slime, and the smell is amazing. So next up is Easter mini egg, and this looks really fun and cute, and I love this little cabochon. It's quite big actually. Oh, sweet. Oh, so this looks quite thick and glossy. And the scent is kind of sort of chocolatey and vanilla-y, I'm guessing. It's very sweet, and oh, this feels very thick. And I love all these little sprinkles in it as well, very Eastery. Well, I'd say this slime is slightly overactivated as it's quite stiff and wants to tear when you stretch it, so you have to stretch it slowly. But you know, stiff slimes can be fixed, and all it takes is a bit of hand soap or some glycerin if you have it. But look at that, I love the colour and I love the sprinkles. Well, all in all, a good slime, just needs a bit of softening up with some hand soap. So the next package that has arrived is from SlimePrideUK. Ooh, so some Maltesers, very nice. A very generous bag of little extras, look at that, very nicely packaged with a business card there, Facebook and Instagram. And I ordered these as well, some sprinkles, and I really love these. I haven't seen them anywhere else, so I grabbed it while I could, and I love that it's got sort of hearts and stars and musical notes in there as well. And oh, that's really cute. She's really rammed these little bags full, so she's been very generous, or he, I'm not sure who runs this shop. And these Fruit Loops are tiny. I didn't realise they'd be so small, but they're really cute, and I'm sure I can think of something to use them for. I also ordered a slime, so we will get into that in a moment. So in the meantime, I'm just going to have a quick look through this bag of extras. This card looks really nice, it's glossy and gives all their details, including their website. So that's really helpful, very nicely put together, and I love the look of these extras. There's another card as well, and it's for 10% off. So they've also included this handy ready-made bottle of borax. That's something I like to do for my shop as well. And all these little extras look so good. I think I might just treat myself while I'm at it. So onto the slime. So I ordered this, I think it's watermelon, I can't remember, I'll find out in a minute, but nothing leaked. The pot looks really good. Very nice, there's the logo. There we are, watermelon spritz, and I love the way this is packaged. I love the clear label on the side, I love the look of those beads in there. And let's just dive in, shall we? Oh, so I can really smell watermelon already. I love this beautiful red and all these lovely jelly cubes. And these little beads look really interesting too. Oh, I just love the colour of this. It looks like it's a really clear glue and those beautiful big black beads flecked through it. It's very nice. So this slime cost £5 for 5 ounces and it looks very nice too. Shipping was £4, but I bought several other things too, and I think it's pretty good value for money actually. And this slime is in really good condition. It doesn't need activating, it's nice and stretchy, it's not sticky, it smells great, it looks great, and it just feels very authentic. I'm looking forward to squishing those jelly cubes soon. So satisfying. Well, I'm very happy with my purchases from SlimePrideUK. I spent over £10, which warranted a discount if you spend over £10, so check out their shop now. Links will be available below. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!